Here we go, guys. Transformers. Huh. Let's go, guys. I will Glyphix.
You, as a mass trainee, are joining one of the most exclusive clubs in the universe. Without a doubt, this is the most important thing you're going to be asked to do in your life. Nest is all that stands between the Decepticons and Earth's annihilation. So, as you say on my planet, sounds like a piece of cake, doesn't it?
No.
Welcome to Nest.
The Allspark fragment from the cube. I wonder what this does.
The entire Nest unit operating in tactical coordination will prevail. You do Let's fall in and review. That means you too, soldier. You with him. Is that a churro? Just what do you think this is, mister? A theme park? We are at war here, so stand and don't stay and listen up.
It is a theme park.
This is Decepticon Defensive Tactical Training. I am Weapons Combat Specialist Ironhide. And our objective today is to familiarize you with your Decepticon nemesis. Know him, loathe him, outthink, and you might outlive him. Continuing on, we have Ravage, a fierce, fast-moving infiltration specialist armed with fuselage guns and Insecticons. Ravage is a very, very bad kid. Sideways, an optimistic and devious warrior, able to camouflage himself in the shadows until one to strike.
Incoming transmissions.
Attention all Nest personnel, this is General Morshower, Nest HQ. I'll cut right to the chase. Our Amazon detectors indicate Decepticons are swarming the city. This is a coordinated strike. We are facing a heavy, sustained attack. They appear to be after the Allspark fragment. This is
I knew it.
the real deal, people. All defensive assets should be focused to secure the Allspark. Initiate red alert incursion protocol. Bravo, Alpha, Young.
Red button. Red button. Really?
I'm picking up Decepticon Ravage, moving his tail through sector 1030, sub-level 9. Sub-level 8. Sub-level 7. Oh man, that thing can move. He's headed right for the Allspark.
Recruits, Autobot evac has or soon will brief you on his orders to withdraw the Allspark and transport it to safety outside the city. We can no longer guarantee its protection here on base. Evac has made a run in simulations, but he has never faced field duty before,
Stop.
much less in combat conditions. So
This
anything
and
you can
this.
help him with
This.
might make
This.
all the difference.
Red button. Push the red button. Push the red button. Don't stop. Stop. Reset. Reset. Red button.
We give up our future.
Now what's
Thank you,
happening?
recruits, and good luck. I sincerely hope that one day we get the chance to finish your training.
Recruits, evac here. Got you in this phone and not to speak with you. Recruits, I am Optimus Prime. I know we are asking much of you this day, but the Decepticons leave us no choice. Evac believes you can help him protect the Allspark. I believe you can too. So the fate of the Earth is in your hands. Take the Allspark to safety. Optimus out.
Well, that's a relief. What's happening out there? What's happening out there? Why smell popcorn? Incoming transmission.
This round recruits. I'm Autobot Evac, part of Optimus Prime's Nest Detail. As you probably figured out, the base is under siege. I'm a stealth transport bot assigned to evacuate human troops from harm's way. But I'm also on reserve to help get the Allspark out of the city if the Vulcan comes under attack. Which they tell me. I mean, they've never sent me to active duty before, but I guess we kind of have that in common. My orders would be to safely take the Allspark from Nest and follow an extraction route out of the city. I'm supposed to partner with human navigators, but they told me there wasn't anyone they could spare, so I asked them, what about the recruits? I mean, if any of you are willing to volunteer, I sure could use the help. The more eyes we have, the better. We'll have to react fast to keep the Allspark away from them, because out there in the open city, it's going to be anything goes. I know your recruits don't have much training, but you wouldn't be here if you didn't have courage. And your instincts, well, we're all just going to have to rely on those. And together with my weaponry and hyperspeed moves, hey, Megatron and his Decepticons just won't stand a chance. I mean, right? Well, all that's left now is getting the green light from Optimus. And from you recruits. So think it over while I finish prep. I'm counting on you. I guess so is Earth. Evac out for now.
Okay. Buttons. Exit. The exit sign. So glorious. But the exit sign. Exit. Wow. The exit sign. Buttons.
Commodore General Admiral Commander Wheeling, monitoring the defenses with your opening so here's my job. I'm picking up the second cat ravage, moving his tail to sector 1030, sub-level 9, sub-level 8, sub-level 7. Oh man, that thing can't move. He's headed back for the Allspark.
Buttons. Push. Red button. Let's go. Who cares? Red button. Whoa.
Protection here on base.
Buttons. Push. Buttons. It was a dark and stormy night. JK. The lights. It's glorious. This might take a while.
Did you mean good luck?
Yeah. You can't see my face.
Hey, this is really Temperature 411. Our combat units can't hold the extraction route. Decepticon forces are breaking through. These Decepticon Starscream identified.
Oh no.
Decepticon
He's a coward.
identified.
Oh no.
Decepticon Grinder.
Oh, nice.
Megatron. Oh, now
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Okay, team. In case you missed them, here's your road rules.
EVAC can deploy 12 humans in 3 rows of 4. When you are authorized, enter a row and move to the furthest available seat. Supervise children, making sure that each child has their own seat on board EVAC. Do not lower your arm restraint until everyone in your row is seated. And keep arms and legs clear of EVAC's door.
You forgot to remind them about their eyewear?
First, I was saying a silent prayer for their safety.
Okay, thanks. We're out more. Hurry up.
You will require a set of protective eyewear. Wait until you are seated before putting them on. And of course, no eating, drinking, smoking, or photography of any kind.
Okay, I
Hold on
won't.
to the lap restraint at all times and remain seated.
Extraction team, this is Optimus Prime.
What's up?
My Autobots are taking the battle stations in Nest and the surrounding area. We'll provide you with all the cover we can. But the future of both our species will be decided by what happens with you.
Species. That sounds disgusting.
Protect the Allspark. Protect each other. Good luck. Prime out.
Recruits, we're heading out soon, so remember your orders. I'll remember mine.
Well, that's a strange transformer. Beat. Guys, we're almost here. Cause I see more flashing lights. Beat. See? That's what I mean. Flashing lights. Oh my gosh. More flashing lights that keep going. Beat. And more flashing lights. I'll be back.
Later, but right now I need you to...